Hi students, hello, how are you? Good morning. I hope you are all fine. So today I'm going to start the lesson Benji's Christmas. So from the unit Children all work and some play. So unit number 5, Children all work and some play. From that unit I'm going to do a lesson that is Benji's Christmas. So you people have so many children working, right? Uh, so they work. So you may have so many working in movies and all. So many children work, right, to get famous and to earn money because they are poor, right? They want to achieve something. Some children work to achieve something. Okay, they will be having some goal, some aim. So for that reason, they work. Okay, so and some children work because they are poor, their home condition, that financial condition will be very bad, right? So for that reason some children work. So here Benji's Christmas. So Benji, he is a boy. So why he works and he wants something. Okay, so let us see what happens. Does he celebrate Christmas? Okay, what he want for his Christmas? Okay, why he works and what he purchases, and does he celebrate his Christmas or not? Let us see in this lesson. Okay, students, so let us start the lesson, that is Benji's Christmas.
Benji's Christmas. It was Christmas Eve. The street.
So it was Christmas Eve. What do you mean by Eve? So Christmas Eve means what? Christmas evening, the day before Christmas. Okay, the day before, the evening before Christmas. So for that we call as Christmas Eve. So it was Christmas Eve. So for example, if tomorrow is Christmas, so today evening we call it as Christmas Eve. Okay, today we call it as Christmas Eve. So the streets looked like a fairyland. So how the streets were looking? They were looking like a fairyland. Do you know fairyland? So fairyland means where fairies will be there, angels will be there. So it will be full of colors, lights, right? Full of flowers will be there. Everywhere green will be there, fruits will be there, right? Everywhere you can find the stars, the shining stars and all. So that is, so the street, it was looking like a fairy land. Okay, you people have, so when you go to some, okay, commercial streets where the shops will be there, so how they will arrange during the festival seasons, especially in Diwali, right? In Deepavali time and Ramzan time and all, in other festivals where we are going to celebrate the biggest festivals. So there, okay, at that time you might have observed that the whole street, for example Tumkur MG Road, you might have saw. So how it looks, it will be full of people and full of lights, lighting arrangements will be there, right? So in the same manner the streets, they were looking like fairyland because the next morning itself was Christmas. Okay, the next morning itself was Christmas. So it was fully arranged. Okay, the street was fully arranged with lights and all.
Twinkle, twinkle, went the red, blue, green, and yellow lights which had been sprung up all around the marketplace.
So twinkle, twinkle, said the twinkling. Okay, they went red, blue, green, yellow lights. Okay, what the colors of the lights were? Red, blue, green, and yellow lights, which are strung. Strung means what? Which were hung. Okay, which were hung. Strung means what? A piece of a string used to tie around or attach or something. Okay, they were attached. They were strung. You can see here. See how they are strung. No, so like this. So everywhere the lights, red, blue, green, yellow lights, they were strung all around the market. The lights were, light arrangements were made. Okay, everywhere around the market, the lighting arrangements were made. Okay.
How exciting it looked!
How exciting it looks. So how it was looking? It was looking very exciting, wonderful, beautiful it was looking. Okay, so everyone was eager to see that. Okay, it was very much exciting. It was creating the excitement. Okay, it was looking very excited.
The shops were also brightly lit.
So the shops were also brightly lit, even shops. Okay, the shops where they will sell all the items. Now it may be fruit, cloth, it may be sweet shop, or it may be any accessory shops. Okay, they were also lit up. They were also very much, were totally decorated. Okay.
Three shops selling Christmas tree.
So there were 3 shops selling Christmas tree. Okay, in that street, in that market, there were 3 shops which were selling Christmas trees. You know what is Christmas trees. You people have saw the Christmas trees. So there were 3 shops which were selling the Christmas trees.
But a variety of sizes.
So what a variety of sizes. See, you can see, no? So these are called as Christmas trees. Okay. These are called as Christmas trees, and they are variety of sizes from small to big. Okay, there were sizes where so many different sizes were there in this Christmas trees.
There were real ones and toy ones.
And they were real ones. Okay, a real Christmas tree were also there, and also toy, which are made up of plastic. Okay, the toy Christmas tree was also there, which is not original. Real was also there, and which is made up of toy one, means which is made up of plastic one. It were there.
The trees were beautifully decorated, all glitter with silver and gold ribbons, streamers, shiny colored balls, holly, and mistletoe.
So how these Christmas trees were? So these Christmas trees, they were decorated. They were beautifully decorated. They were looking very beautiful. Okay, these Christmas trees, they were looking very beautiful. They were decorated very beautifully. So all agitators means what? Sparkling. They were all sparkling, twinkling. Okay, these Christmas trees, they were twinkling with silver and gold ribbons. So this you can see here, right? So silver and gold ribbons were there, and streamers were there. Streamers means what? A long narrow strip of material used as a decoration. Okay, the ribbons. Okay, like satin ribbons and all. Okay, the long narrow strip of materials used as a decoration. The ribbons were there. Okay, and shiny colored balls were there. You can see here, see the shiny colored balls were there, and holly and mistletoes were there. So holly it is a kind of shrub. Okay, that it is a kind of plant, it is a kind of shrub where the leaf will be pricky. Okay, the leaf, it will be very sharp leaves. The edges of the leaves will be very sharp, and that shrubs, it will be very green. That leaf will be very dark green color, and in that the white flowers will blossom, and it bears berries, red berries. Okay, so that is called as holly. So holly, it is a shrub. Okay, it is a kind of shrub. So the leaf of that holly plant, it will be very pricky. The sides will be very pricky, sharp. Okay, the sides and the leaf, it will be very dark green color. Okay, and they will be having small white color leaf flowers on that, and also red berries will be there. Small berries will be there. So that is called as shrub. So this Christmas tree, they were decorated with such kind of shrubs, and also mistletoe. So that is, mistletoe means it is also a kind of plant which have the white berries. Okay, so mistletoe, it is a kind of plant which will be having the white color berries. Okay, so this Christmas tree, it was decorated like that. Okay, the Christmas tree was looking very beautiful. All the Christmas trees, it may be toy Christmas tree or it may be original Christmas tree. It was decorated so beautifully. They were glittering. They were sparkling with the silver and gold ribbons and the streamers and all, and then the balls were there, colorful balls were there, shiny balls were there. Okay, so the shrubs and plants which will be having berries, they were decorated by that, so they were looking fantabulously beautiful, that Christmas trees.
Benji stood in front of one of the windows, gazing longingly at one of those toy trees.
So Benji, this boy, okay, Benji, he stood in front of a windows. Okay, in front of the windows, gazing, longing, gazing. So gazing means what? Looking continuously. He started to look at the Christmas trees. Okay, longing means waiting, in a waiting manner. Okay, so when we will go to shops, right, to purchase something, for example toy shops and dresses shops, when we go you people will keep on gazing, no, on that beautiful dresses and beautiful toys, cute toys, you keep on gazing, right? So you will not move here and there, just you will be keep on seeing at those toys and the dresses, right? In the same manner, this Benji, he was standing in waiting. Okay, longing means what? In a waiting manner. So he was standing in a waiting manner. He was waiting just like, so he was gazing at one of those toy trees. So one of the toy tree he was looking at. Okay.
Oh, if only it could be. It would be a perfect Christmas for them.
So, oh, if only it could be. Oh, wow, so beautiful tree it is. One particular tree he was looking at, and he said that, oh, only, if only it could be. So I am going to purchase only this one. This is the one which is very beautiful, and it would be a perfect Christmas for them. He said that if I purchase this, it will be a perfect Christmas. It will be a complete, it will be a perfect Christmas for them, he said.
He remembered once again the tree he had seen in the biggest of the three shops.
So he remembered, okay, Benji, he remembered once again the tree he had seen in the biggest of the three shops. Okay, so he remembered the tree which was big in one particular, in that three shops were there, no, where the Christmas trees were there. So in the three shops, one he had saw a biggest tree. Okay, he remembered that tree.
That is the one I am going to buy.
So he thought that that is the one I am going to buy. He had decided to purchase that particular tree where he has saw. Okay, in one of the three particular Christmas shops, there were the shops which were selling the Christmas trees. So in that one particular shop, there was a biggest Christmas tree, and Benji, he had decided to purchase that itself.
As he had decided, he dashed in and asked the owner.
So as he decided to purchase that particular tree itself, so he dashed in. Dashed in means he went inside. Okay, he went inside and he asked the owner of the shop. Okay, what he asked?
Sahib, what is the price of this one? Pointing hopefully.
So the Benji, he went and he asked to the owner that Sahib. Sahib means sir. Okay, it is a Hindi word. Sahib is a Hindi word. Sahib means sir. Okay, sir, what is the price of this one? He asked, what is the price of this? What is the cost of this? He asked, pointing hopefully. Hopefully means he was very much in a hope that he is going to purchase it. Okay, so in that hopeful manner, he asked that, what is the price?
The shopkeeper, a fat, balding man named Mr. Abraham, looked Benji up and down, pointedly staring at the big hole on the upper right side of Benji's shirt.
So that man, okay, the shopkeeper, okay, he was fat. Okay, you can see here, no, the shopkeeper, he was fat and he was a balding man. So balding means, see, he says balded. Okay, he does not have hair, little hair he have. Okay, so for such kind of person we call as balded. So that man was fat and balded. And what was his name? His name was Abraham, Mr. Abraham. Okay, the shopkeeper's name was Mr. Abraham. Okay, he looked at Benji up and down. Okay, he looked at Benji up and down, and he pointedly staring at the big hole. Okay, pointedly staring at the big hole on the upper right side of Benji's shirt. So he looked up and down, and he saw, he gazed. Okay, he staring continuously. He looked at the hole which was there on Benji's shirt. On the right side of Benji's shirt, there was a hole. Okay, he looked at him.
Benji stopped his hand midway as it automatically bent up to cover the hole.
So Benji, he was pointing to that Christmas tree, and he was asking, no, what is the cost of that price? So this Benji, when this shopkeeper, that is the owner, when he looked that hole, what happened? Automatically he stopped. Okay, this Benji, he stopped his hand in between, and what happened? Automatically, his hand came and covered that hole which was on the shirt.
After all, he thought, I have got full 300 rupees in my pocket.
So, after all, he thought, after all, I have got full 300 rupees in my pocket. So when that shopkeeper, when he observed this hole, so he covered that, and he thought to himself, after all, what if I have a hole? After all, I have got 300 rupees in my pocket, and I can purchase the tree. He thought. Benji thought.
So what if I have a hole in my shirt?
So he thought that, so what if I have a hole in my shirt? But I have money. No, he thought like that.
But the shopkeeper's words shattered his confidence.
But the shopkeeper's words shattered his confidence. So shattered means what? He became upset. Okay, he was very much confident. No, Benji was very much confident of purchasing that tree. But his words, shopkeeper, he told something. So because of his words, he lose his confidence. Okay, so it hurt him very much.
It is for 400 rupees.
So the shopkeeper, he said the price of that tree as 400 rupees, and Benji had how much? 300 rupees. So the shopkeeper, he said that it is 400 rupees.
Do you want to buy it?
Do you want to buy it? He asked in a doubt. Because his condition was not good. He had a torn shirt. So by looking that condition, he was not in a hope. Okay, this shopkeeper, he was not in a hope that this boy is going to purchase that Christmas tree. So for that reason, he told the price of that Christmas tree, and he asked, do you want to buy it? He asked.
Benji's face fell as he realized that he could not afford the tree that he had liked so much.
So Benji's face fell. Okay, so Benji, he became upset. So okay, so the Benji's face fell means he became upset, and he realized that he could not afford means he didn't have that much of money, right? Afford means not having enough money. So he was not able to afford that tree because he had only 300 rupees, and the shopkeeper, he was saying that it was 400 rupees. So he was not able to afford it. He didn't have much money. Okay, so afford that he could liked so much. Okay, he liked the tree so much, but unfortunately he didn't had that much of money. He was not able to afford it.
300 rupees were not enough. It was his hard-earned money, which he had got by working for 7 days in the dhaba down the road.
So that 300 rupees, what he had, no, that 300 rupees was not enough. Okay, that 300 rupees, how he had got the 300 rupees? He had got the 300 rupees by working hard. He had worked hard for 7 days in a dhaba. Okay, in a dhaba, he had worked hard for 7 days down the road. So down the road there was a dhaba. In that dhaba, he had worked very hard to earn that 300 rupees.
For long hours, he had waited on the customers and carried countless plates of food to and from the rickety wooden tables.
So how he had worked in that dhaba. So for long hours he had waited for the customers. Okay, and then he carried countless plates. Okay, he carried countless plates of food to and from. So he was bringing the food and serving, and then after this customers had finished their eating, he was carrying that plates again back to wash. Okay, so to and from the rickety wooden table. Rickety means what? That with the table which is shaking, which is weak. Okay, the tables which will be shaking. So usually in dhaba side, so the tables will be in that condition itself, right? So he had worked very hard. This Benji, he had worked very hard.
How he wanted to buy a Christmas tree for his younger sisters, Savita and Rita.
So he wanted to. So why? He wanted to buy. Okay, he had worked very hard for 7 days only for the reason that he wanted to purchase, he wanted to buy that Christmas tree for his younger small sisters. For his younger, that is small sisters, that is Savita and Rita. Okay, for Savita and Rita, he wanted to purchase that Christmas tree.
He had thought the tree would cost 200 rupees, and with the remaining money, he could buy some decorations.
So this Benji, he had thought that he will get the tree. The tree cost will be just 200 rupees. Okay, Benji, he had thought that the tree cost will be just 200 rupees, and with the rest of the amount, okay, with the rest of the amount, he is going to buy some decoration items from which he can decorate that Christmas tree. So he had planned like that, but he wasn't knowing that that Christmas tree will cost so much. Okay.
But Sahib, he said hesitantly, I remember that last year such a toy tree cost 200 exactly.
So he said, but Sahib, but sir, he's talking with the shopkeeper. But Sahib, he said hesitantly. Hesitantly means unsure manner. Okay, so he said hesitantly that I remember that last year the same toy tree costed just 200 rupees, exactly 200 rupees, he said. So last year its cost was 200 rupees, he said.
Look here, boy. Those were last year's prices. Now the prices have gone up.
So the shopkeeper, he said that, see here boy, he said, look here boy, he said that that was last year cost. That was last year, but now that the price has gone up. Now this year, that price has gone up. Means raised, the price has raised, he said.
All the trees in my shop cost nothing less than 400 rupees.
So he said that in my shop, all the trees, they cost not less than 400 rupees. They are not less than 400 rupees. All trees are 400 and above, he said.
Are you buying one or aren't you? And he puffed out his huge chest and glared at Benji.
So the shopkeeper, he said that, are you buying one or not? You, he asked. You are going to buy or not? He asked, and he puffed out his huge chest and glared at Benji. Okay, he puffed out. He breathless. Okay, he said that he just glared at me means in an angry. He gave an angry look. Okay, he stared Benji in an angry look. Okay, to Benji he looked at in an angry manner.
Benji's face became red with embarrassment.
So Benji, when this man talked, in that manner, in an angry manner. So Benji's face became red with embarrassment. Embarrassment means shame. He was feeling ashamed. Okay, he was feeling as though he is losing confidence. Okay, he felt very shame.
What a rude man, he thought to himself as he dejectedly walked out of the shop, almost tripping over the bucket of sand which was lying near the door.
So Benji, he said that what a rude man he is. He thought to himself. Okay, what a rude man he thought to himself, and as he dejectedly means what? In a sad mood, in low spirit, in a sadly, okay, in a sad mood, he walked out of the shop. So when he was walking out of the shop, he almost tripped means what? He just stumbled. Okay, the bucket was there, the sand bucket. Okay, the sand bucket which was laying near the door. So the sand bucket was laying near the door. So near the door, he just stumbled. Okay, so he was moving no in a sad manner. So his leg touched that bucket. He just was going to, so he just stumbled on that bucket.
Indeed, I suppose he does not need to bother with me when people are buying up all his trees.
So that he said that indeed, perhaps, I suppose he does not need to bother with me when people are buying up all his trees. He thought that, so people are buying all his trees, then why he will bother about me? He said.
The shop was crowded as parents and children shouted to one another, talking about the trees they liked best.
So the shop, it was crowded. The shop was crowded, okay, because there were parents, and along with the parents, children were there, and they were shouting, okay, they were shouting, they were talking with each other, saying that by talking about the best trees they have selected. Okay, the best trees they have selected, they were talking. So usually it happens, no? So for example, when you go to purchase Ganapati, right, so you will see a very beautiful and big Ganapati, but your parents, according to their budget, they want to purchase it, and they will say you people to purchase the small Ganapati. And likewise the shout will be given, right? So you will say that no, I want that one. So your parents say no, I don't have that much of money, this is enough. They will, so that kind of argument will happen, right? The same manner, here also the same thing has happened. Okay, the parents and children, they were talking about the trees, the Christmas trees.
Oh, where will I get another 100 rupees from? Benji thought.
So now Benji thought, so from where I will get one more 100 rupees? Because he had only 300 rupees and the Christmas tree cost 400 rupees. Now he want to arrange one more 400 rupees, right? One more 100 rupees. If he earn one more 100 rupees, how much it will become? It will become 400 rupees. So Benji, he thought, from where I want to bring one more 100 rupees?
He felt terrible at the thought that there would be no Christmas tree in his little home.
So when he thought that, terrible, it was very bad. Okay, it was a very bad thought that by thinking that there would be no Christmas in his little home. Okay, by thinking that he felt very bad.
Savita and Rita were at home, just waiting eagerly for him to come back so that they could start decorating it with all the beautiful ornaments he had confidently promised them.
So this Savita, younger sisters of Benji, that Savita and Rita, they were eagerly, okay, they were waiting for him to bring. Okay, eagerly, they were waiting to Benji to come back home, because he had promised them that he is going to bring the Christmas tree. So they both were waiting for him, because they wanted to decorate that Christmas tree with the beautiful ornaments that he had promised. So you people will also eagerly will be waiting, no, when your parents say something, that say that they are going to bring something for you people. Okay, you people will be eagerly waiting for that. right? For example, Ganapati itself. So during the Ganapati festival, what you will do, when you are in the home and your parent, your father had promised you to bring that Ganapati, so what you will do, you will be very eagerly waiting. Okay, as soon as as soon as your father brings it, so you will start decorating, you want to decorate it, right? So in the same manner, these two sisters, they were waiting for their brother that, thinking that he is going to bring the Christmas tree.
He had invited his friends to his house tonight to join in the food and fun.
And also, this Benji, he had invited his friends to join, okay, to join in the food and fun. Okay, he had invited his friends also.
Oh, how embarrassing it would be to face them without a tree he had talked so much about.
So now, if he returns without a tree, how shameful it will be. Embarrassing means it will be very shameful to face them without the Christmas tree. He had promised, no? So if he go empty-handed, so it will be very shameful for Benji.
Benji's home was a small, two-roomed hut at the other end of town. It was so different from this marketplace with all its fancy shops.
So Benji's home was a small two-roomed hut. So at the other end of the town. Okay, so at the other end of the town. So it was a different from this marketplace with all its fancy shops. So from this marketplace, the place where he was living, no, so it was totally different.
Benji wandered around, hands in his pockets, kicking at a stone with the scuffed toes of his shoes.
So Benji, he wandered, he roamed here and there. Okay, he roamed here and there, keeping the hands in his pocket. So kicking a stone with the scuffed. Scuffed means what? Get or become marked. So the shoes have been marked. Okay, so scuffed toes of his shoes, he was kicking the stones and he was moving here and there.
A half-constructed building stood at one end of the market. As it was evening, the site was deserted.
So as so a half constructed building was there. Okay, a half constructed building was there, stood at the end of the market. Okay, as it was evening, the site was deserted. Deserted means what? No one was there, not a single person was there.
Benji sat for a while on a mound of sand, shivering a little in the cold. He then went back to the shop. Maybe they made a mistake and told me the wrong price first time.
So Benji, he sat on that mound of the sand. Okay, on the sand he sat and he was shivering. It was cold, it was little cold. So he was shivering. So he went. He then went back to the shop. Why he went back? Because he thought that maybe they have mistaken and told me the wrong price. Thinking that, he went back to the shop.
But no, there was no mistake.
But no, there was no mistake. So the price was same itself. There was no mistake at all.
Even the smallest tree cost 400 rupees. Just 100 rupees short. Oh,
So even the smallest tree cost 400 rupees. Even the smallest tree was costing 400 rupees. So then he thought that, oh, just 100. So just 100 rupees. He is short, he said.
why didn't I earn this extra money also over the past few weeks?
So he thought that why I didn't earn this extra money in this over past few weeks. Okay, so he thought to himself, why I did not earn this extra money also. I would have earned, he thought to himself.
I could easily have got it by working at the dhaba for a few more days. He cried.
So he thought that I would have earned that money still by working for few more days. If I was working in dhaba, I was getting that 100 extra rupees also. Why I didn't did?
To himself for the 100th time in despair.
So he thought like that to himself nearly 100 times. He thought that in despair, in unhappiness, in a hopeless manner. Without hope, he thought like that. Why I didn't earn?
After wandering around aimlessly for a while, Benji found himself standing directly in front of Mr. Abraham's shop.
So after wandering around for aimlessly, So he didn't came to know what to do. So he was wandering here and there, and finally again he came and stood in front of Mr. Abraham's shop.
Through the brightly lit window, he saw that the tree he had set his mind on was still there.
So through the bright lit window, so the window was very decorated. So from that bright window, he saw that the tree, what he has sought to purchase, no, what he had thought to purchase, no. So the tree was still there itself.
Suddenly, he saw Mr. Abraham come out of the shop, rubbing his hands gleefully and looking very pleased with himself.
So suddenly what he saw, suddenly Benji, he saw that Mr. Abraham, he came out of the shop. He was rubbing his hands gleefully, very joyfully, with happily. He was rubbing his hand and looking very pleased with himself. He was looking very happy. Okay, he was very much satisfied by himself.
He stood outside the shop, surveying the people rushing to and fro.
So he stood outside the shop. So he was looking. Surveying means what? He was looking at the people who were moving, rushing to and fro. So they were moving here and there for purchasing, no? So Mr. Abraham, he stood out of the shop. So looking at the people who were moving on the street.
As Benji watched, the large neon sign above the shop, which merrily twinkled, red and green, saying, "Christmas tree for sale," began to slip down.
So Benji, as Benji watched the large neon shop. So neon sign means what? The board. Okay, on the shops you might have saw, no, the board which will be with the lights. Okay, the boards will be with the lights. Okay, so with which merrily twinkled. So which was beautifully, it was twinkling with the red and green. Okay, it was twinkling beautifully with the red and green, saying Christmas tree for sale. Okay, so began to slip down. So began to slip down. What happened? That board was began to slip down, means it was going to fall down. That board was going to fall down. Okay, students, so today I will end here itself. So in the next class we will come to know what happened next. So the board, it was coming down, it was slipping down. Okay, that neon signboard, it was falling down. So in the next class we will come to know what happened next. Okay, does he gets the tree or not? This Benji, he gets the tree or not? We will come to know. Okay, what will happen next? We will see in the next class. So till then, bye, take care, have a nice